Welcome to our channel. If the Shipt app isn't loading or you're experiencing order errors, follow these step-by-step instructions to fix the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection by opening other apps or websites to ensure you have stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Close the Shipt app completely and reopen it. On iOS, swipe up and close the app. On Android, force stop it through Settings. Step 3. Update the Shipt app to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Shipt, and Clear Cache. On iOS, delete and reinstall the app. Step 5. Restart your device completely. Power off your smartphone, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 6. Verify your delivery address is correct and within Shipt service area by checking the app's coverage map. Step 7. Check your payment method in account settings. Ensure your credit card information is valid, up to date, and has sufficient funds. Step 8. Try a different payment method if your card is being declined. Add another credit card or debit card to your account. Step 9. Ensure items in your cart are still available at the selected store, as out-of-stock items can cause order errors. Step 10. Contact Shipt customer support through the app or website if the problem persists, providing order details and error messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.